So I'm gonna be teaching you guys how to make cassava leaf.
This is what?
And the ingredients that you're gonna need are red peppers, this thing called ogiri, which are just sesame seeds. You're gonna need 4 of those, 4 of the red peppers, this thing called pamain, and meat of your choice. You're gonna need onions and a big pot. So we're just washing the fish and the meat and the turkey.
So
and then
yeah,
you're gonna need
3 bags of Juta.
3 bags of cut. It's called bita leaf, and it's just the cassava leaf cut, pre-cut. We have it pre-cut, but you can cut it yourself, or you can have it pre-cut. So yeah, you're gonna cut up your meat and just wash your meat. Cut up your beef to the size that you like. You put the meat in a pot and you allow it to boil. You put all the meats in a pot, and you'll see in the next video where we have all the meat in a pot, and you're gonna let it sit and let it boil. Not sure for how long. And then after that, maybe 10-20 minutes, you're gonna add the palm oil into the pot. And we didn't measure anything, we just kind of like eyed it. So yeah, next you're gonna pour the palm oil into the pot, and then you're gonna allow that to boil and sit and marinate. So while that sits, start cutting up your onions and your pepper, and you're gonna blend it until it becomes like pasty, like a paste. So you're gonna cut up about 3 or 2 yabas and pepper. And then after that, you're gonna add the 4 ogiris into the pot, and you're gonna stir that up. You're gonna allow that to sit and check on it, stir it up some more, as you see in the video. And then you're gonna add the and then you're gonna add the 4 bita leaves into the pot, and you're just gonna add all 4 of that one by one, and then you're just gonna mix it in, and make sure you save the bags. Well, save one of the bags, because later on you're gonna see what we're gonna do with the remaining leaves that's in the bag. So after pouring it, just stir it around, let it sit for a while, and come back and check on it. And then you're gonna add the paste. You remember the onions and the pepper? So this is how it's gonna look after you blend it. And then you're gonna put it inside. You're gonna add that to the pot as well. You're gonna add that all up. See, so one of the bags that I was telling you about, you're gonna put water in it so you can get all the remaining leaves, and you're gonna pour it into that blender just so you can mix flavors. Everything's already getting mixed up, so you just want to get everything, the little things that you missed. You're just gonna, instead of putting normal water to get the rest of the stuff, you just do that. It's a little trick that my mom does. So yeah, pour that in. Do that to all the other bags, but make sure you don't put too much water on. Like, you want to make sure it's just the right amount of water. Yeah. Hey, this video is for me too, because I'm definitely gonna be looking back and see how she made it. It's a little bougie, but it's okay. We gonna keep up. We gonna try to keep up. So yeah, you're just gonna set out some Maggie cubes. We have
a whole lot of people in my life took the strength of it and tried to misuse it. When I think about all our things,
this kind. So yeah, just set it out on top of the pot, let it melt. You know, just be checking in and out on the pot, let it boil. I would say like 10 minutes, maybe 15 minutes. I don't know, I'm making that up. But yeah, just keep an eye on it, let it boil. And then after that, you're gonna later on add the Maggie cubes. So, yeah.
Put the Maggie.
I'm sorry, it's a little ghetto. But yeah, so after that, you're gonna add in, you already added in the Maggie cubes, and you're just gonna stir everything up, make sure, you know, everything's stirred up and nice. You're gonna let it sit for a little bit more. Just be checking on that, John. And then, yeah, just stir it up, make sure everything looks good, smells good. You should be able to smell the flavor. It's really good. And that's the final product. You have your rice under the soup, and we are crushing because we were hungry. But that is the final product of how I make, well, my mom makes the cassava leaf. So shout out to her, and I hope you enjoyed this video. And yeah, bye.